Welcome to another interesting class at the Edula 360 classroom. Hadiza and Halima went outdoor hopping. And when they were done hopping, they went, how did they go? Great job. This is the sound Hadiza and Halima made when they were done hopping. They made the sound because they were tired. Let's make the sound together again. Great job, superstars. Well done. That was amazing. And guess what, friends? Just like every other of our sounds, the letter sound has a song. And I'm going to teach my friends that song. The song goes like this. I like to hop, 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 hop around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. Great job. I'm going to sing it again, okay? I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Well done. That was interesting. We're going to learn to write the letter sound. And to write the letter sound, we start at a point with our magic finger. We go down. We go up a little on the same line, over the bridge, down with a flick. Okay, let's go again. We start at a point. We go down. We go up a little on the same line, over the bridge with a flick. So let's write it on our board, okay? Remember, we start at a point. We go down. We go up a little, over the bridge, down with a flick. Great. I'm going to write it again. Remember, start at a point. Go down. Go up a little, over the bridge, down with a flick. Let's write it again. We start at a point. We go down. We go up a little, over the bridge, down with a flick. This is the letter sound. This is the letter sound. Great job. Well done. Okay, friends. Next, you're going to look at some words that begin with the letter sound. Some words that begin with the letter sound. I spy a word saying hello to me. As in house. As in house. As in house. As in hat. Hat. So I want us to blend hat. Let's blend hat together. Let's go. Hat. Again. Hat. And I want us to write the word hat. Let's write. Hat. Hat. Next, spy another word saying hello to me. I spy the word Halima. Halima. Halima is the name of a person. As in Halima. As in hot. The food is hot. Okay, friends, I want my friends to go around as usual, learn more words and make more words that begin with the letter sound. Okay, till I see you next time. Bye bye. Till I see you next time. Bye bye. Love you, friends.